Now we're going to have a look at how to use a new builder for function that can turn all the information from a subform into an object that we can use with JavaScript. As you can see here, all the information that's going to that calendar and the day below is from the information that's in that subform, and I can keep changing that value and it will keep changing information in the calendar and the day as well. So the way we do this is with a function called new subform object. This gives us a lot of information that we don't really need right now, but we can quickly have a look at. It tells us what of these rows are going to be deleted. It'll tell us which of the fields have been edited. We can get the names of the fields, but what we want at the moment is we want the rows. So I'll do this just again and just pick rows. So the first column here, or the first field in the array, is the primary key of the record. So if the record hasn't been saved, like you can see the last one there, it says -1, that means that it's not in the database. You can see the last column is 0 or 1, and that tells you whether the record's going to be deleted or not. So it's a pretty handy function to know about.